Good day everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem that is container with most water. Okay, let's start a timer also. So we are given an integer, okay, height, okay, which contains height of all these lines, right? We have to find two lines which has the most water stored in them between. So what idea comes to my head is we can start with like the first line and the last line. Okay, so if we take height of the first and last and see maximum what water is stored in this between, and then we can move a pointer, a start pointer or end pointer accordingly, which is the less one step forward. Okay, and then we can check for the next one. So until and unless this start pointer is greater than end pointer, you can keep on doing this, just like a sliding window problem. You can imagine it as. Okay, so let's start. Start could be start I comma 0. Okay, 1 comma 1. Okay. So there is nothing but 0. Okay, the start is equal to 1 and end pointer is height of n, right? Length of height. Okay, now what we have to do, while start is less than end. Okay, so we have to find the difference, what how much water is stored. So water is definitely we have to find minimum of, okay, min pole, minimum of two poles, right? That would be minimum of height start comma height and. Okay, so area is min pole into and minus start. For example, if it is 1 and 1, so okay, so start is 1 and is 2. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Okay, max area discovered so far. Initially we could keep it as 0. Okay, now if area is greater than max area, what we have to do, max area is equal to area, and what you have to return. Now let's try to run this problem. It's going out of index, then start should be definitely should be 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. Okay, 9 is its length. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 is length and index is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Ninth index, 19 index is 7. Then what's the problem? Okay, there's problem in this code also. Okay, definitely time limit would exceed because main condition is still missing. If start, if height at the start is less than or equal to height at end, if this is the case, so what we have to do, start plus equal to 1, if height end is less than height of start, in this case end minus equal to 1. Now it should work. So problem was actually in their description itself. If you see clearly like what there is, if you go here then it's okay, then it's fine. Yeah, it's fine, but over here it's not very fine, like they have not clearly mentioned it should start from 0. Leaving aside, it's thank you for watching this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.